Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to start in Settings, so you get baseline volume control and safety right away. First, charge the AirPods Max above 50% and pair them. Once paired, open the Bluetooth device options on your iPhone and check audio/equalizer and headphone accommodations. These change frequency boosting and perceived loudness. Make sure volume limit is disabled so software isn't capping output. Also select the correct device under Control Center Audio Output so you're not sending sound to another source. Next, you'll fine-tune EQ and the signal path to raise perceived loudness without distorting. In music settings, choose an EQ that boosts treble and upper-mid frequencies. These increase clarity and apparent volume. Then, activate headphone accommodations and select a custom profile tuned for louder speech or music. This applies targeted gain where needed. If possible, test a wired Lightning to 3.5 adapter or play high bitrate tracks. Less compression and a cleaner signal often translates to louder, clearer output. Finally, raise volume gradually while listening for distortion. If music clips, reduce EQ gain. Check your player's gain or normalization settings. Some apps limit peak levels. Make sure iOS and AirPods Max firmware are updated. If loudness is inconsistent, reset the headphones by holding noise control and digital crown, then reconnect. If problems persist, test with a different phone or tablet to determine if the issue is source-related. One troubleshooting tip: if volume remains low despite settings, try a full firmware update and reset before pursuing repairs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.